In this e-commerce analytics video series, I will demonstrate how to build modern e-commerce data infrastructure from scratch. And this video will focus on the first step, planning. It is crucial to have a solid plan in place before embarking on a complex project. So without further ado, let's get started. To plan a good data infrastructure, we need to take into consideration 5 components. It is data sources, tools, tags, dashboards, and KPIs. The first thing that we need to figure out is what data sources we're gonna use. To simplify this process, I prepared for you a Google spreadsheet template that will help you quickly get started. There are 2 tabs in this spreadsheet. One is settings, and the second one is called planning. On the settings tab, I've already prepared for you a list of most popular data sources that you can utilize. And using the drop-down list, you can select what data source you need. For instance, here is meta ads selected, but I know that I have other data sources to use, so I'm selecting from drop-down Google Ads and select what connector type I'm gonna use. It will be, for instance, an API connector. Also, I can do for other data sources. It can be Shopify, and it will be a database connector. Yeah, you can add new data sources below here, and it will display in the drop-down list. Then what I need to figure out is what tools I'm gonna use. So probably I'm gonna use GA, and it is a web analytics category, and it is free. Also, I can select GTM. It will be a tag management category. I can select Looker Studio. It will be business intelligence solution. Then I can select, for instance, Supermetrics, and it will be ETL tool, and 100 USD per month. And then I need to audit what tags I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use Facebook pixel, and installation type, it is a Shopify app. Then I know that I will be using Google Ads conversion tracking, and it is implemented via GTM. And I can audit my GTM account and check if it's firing correctly, and then mark this checkbox. Also, I know that I will use J4, and implementation type here I also select GTM. Then after I finish this tags section, I can go next to the KPIs. First of all, I need to select data sources. In my case, it will be Meta Ads, Shopify, also Google Ads, and GA4. Then I need to type here what KPIs I want to monitor. For Meta Ads, I want cost. For Shopify, it can be sales, refunds. For Google Ads, it also can be costs and revenue. And for GA4, sales, users, transactions, and conversion rate. For dashboards, I can select from the drop-down list what type of dashboards I want to have. For instance, high-level dashboard for CEO, and that will be pulling data from GA4. Also, it will be pulling data from Shopify. It can be refunds, for instance. From Meta Ads, it's pulling costs, and also it's pulling costs from Google Ads. And this is one dashboard that I'm gonna use. Also, I want to add another dashboard for PPC dashboard, and use the same logic to apply metrics, dimensions, and data sources that I will use. You can grab this spreadsheet in the description below this video. Hope this video was useful. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel not to miss new videos about e-commerce analytics.